Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create a hash and we're going to use standard input to delete some elements from the hash. So first of all, we create the hash and I'm just going to call it person. And I'm going to populate the hash. I'm going to say Dave, then give it a value. UK, say Bill, give it a value US, and Steve, Steve, value, I think I'll do AUS Oz there. Okay, so that's the hash. Let's create the subroutine now. Sub, and I'm going to call it delete element. Okay, so now we're going to print a message to the user, enter element to delete, create a scalar variable called entry, which I'm going to assign to standard input here to get the input from the user. Then we'll chomp it. Okay, now we're going to come down onto the conditional, which starts with an if statement. So if, and then I'm going to use exists, and that's going to be scalar person. So if the person that we type into here exists, in the entry, we're going to do something. Just going to grab that off there, like that. Just neaten that up a little bit. Oops. Okay. We're going to delete it. So print element deleted. And a new line there. And one big thing I forgot to do there, we've got to delete it, haven't we? So we use delete here, scalar person, and that's going to be let's have a look. I'm not going to put it there. Going to come underneath here. So that's going to be delete scalar person in the entry. Okay, so if the person exists that we've typed into here, print element deleted, and then we'll delete the entry. Okay, that should be the other way around actually, so let's just take that out there and just pop that in there. We'll delete that entry and then print off a message to the user. Or else, if that person isn't in there, isn't in the hash, we're going to tell the user that. And we can say print element doesn't exist. Okay, we should be good to go now. So we're just going to call it delete element. Save it and let's run the program. Okay, so there we go. We've got the box here. So enter an element to delete. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type Dave here. And let's hit that. Element deleted, Dave. Also, what we could do is we could print out this. So simply print, let's say, after it person. Okay, let's just do that. Let's save that. Let's do it again. Dave. Okay, so there we go. Dave has gone from the beginning of the hash. There, let's try this again. So I'm going to type in Dave in lowercase. And we got element doesn't exist because I've typed it in lowercase. Let's just run that again. Let's type in something that's not in there. Mark. Hit enter. Element doesn't exist. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie, and I will catch you in another video. Bye bye.